Okay, now I want to make this process automatic. So when I'm going to define here target end date, I want automatically 5 days to be displayed here after this date. So the 11th of June is my last date, my target date. More than 5 days. Okay, so first of all, to do this, I'm going to do this. I'm going to insert some columns. This drag like this, the column. I can do this. Look, okay, here we are. Drag this, I'm gonna move this. Then I'm gonna copy this. Okay, and this one is gonna be this. This one, okay, is a copy of this. This one as well. Okay, gonna copy this as well. So we have more. No, my last testing date is I'm going to use this function sub update calendar dim my date value or range target and date. It is this one. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to get dim last calendar date as date, and last calendar date is equal to, I'm going to check in this one. I call this start calendar, RNG start calendar. Okay, mark it like this. It is equal to range, it is equal to cells, the row of range, this one dot row, and the column is range again of this column. So we get the row and the column of this range. We start to define a range, and I'm going to get the last one on the right, excel to right column count dim last as integer, or even this is here, this is last call. Last calendar date is equal to cells this one, this, and the column is last call. It is a date, then I'm gonna get the date value of the value. Here we are. So now I'm gonna test this MSG box, this one, F5. Okay, here we are. You see, 23rd 06/17 2017. So we got the last one. Okay, now I'm going to use the delete columns function if this one is more than this. Div, it is last calendar date minus my date MSG box I need to give this reference in front of cells. Now I can 12, so we have 12 days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because there are working days. So the difference, so working day, if you remember, to evaluate use this function, this one and this one. Okay, so to make it work, I have to substitute this with this function, application worksheet function network days, this one. So I'm gonna now and in fact, I have exactly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the 10 days. Okay, I'm gonna define the threshold, which is private const max and days after equal to 5. So this is the insert columns. Okay, now I want to show you that how this works. So I'm gonna comment these two for the moment. I don't want to execute them, not to create something wrong on my document. Instead, I'm gonna comment this, and here I'm gonna say msg box delete, and here msg box insert. So we need to insert. Okay, I'm gonna delete space, and here we have to do diff minus this one marked. In the other case, delete 5. Okay, if you're gonna change this and I type, I'm going to do this. Okay, I click on OK. Insert 11. Okay, so I'm going to delete or insert rows. These formulas. Okay,